For my Yale YDR 3110, that door lock, which actually after 2 years actually it started eating battery like anything, and I can't use it anymore very safely because it may fail anytime. So I am using a. I made an arrangement. Uh, I had 3D printed a frame for this, and I had a old Bosch drilling machine PCB, charging PCB. So I used terminals and I cut it to size and all, and I made this 3D printed thing, and used an converter, buck converter, to make it to 6 volts, which is the designated voltage for this, and it works, but I know the now the battery is low actually. Now the battery is low, but still it works. It works, but only I am not going to use it when nobody is inside. Only when somebody is inside, and we can, anybody who, like my son or somebody who is coming in, can use the number lock to come in. But it's not a safe lock anymore. Like, maybe I go away for a longer period or something, and if I come back and if it doesn't work, then there's a bypass for the Ale original version with the 9-volt battery. You can open it, power it from outside, but I don't think this, with this mechanism, with this system, it will work. It will work or not, I don't know, because this 9-volt normal, that 6-volt system, this 9-volt supplements only that. But when this fails, there's no voltage at all going to the system, and the 9-volt, I don't think it will cope up with that situation. So I have to be using it very judiciously, but it's still I can use it. It can serve the purpose in many ways. I hope this was enjoyable. Thank you.